What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the inaugural episode of the It Is Good News, where we present the latest news from multiple perspectives, allowing you to form your own informed opinions, as well as uplifting stories that inspire and bring positivity to your day. I'm Mike McLean, a former lieutenant colonel, and after serving at the Pentagon for 2 years, I observed firsthand the deepening divisions in our national discourse. Break rooms turned to different channels, Fox News and CNN, feeding different interpretations of the same events through vastly different lenses. It became clear that our nation was becoming increasingly polarized. After separating from the Air Force, I felt a profound calling to heal, not just in the realm of physical health, but in the way we communicate and relate to other Americans. It Is Good News was born out of that desire to bridge divides, to highlight the stories that unite us, and to remind us of the common humanity that we share. With that in mind, let's dive into our first story. Today, we take a look at the recent discussions surrounding the White House's use of the encrypted messaging app Signal for communicating sensitive military information. According to CNN, senior members of the Trump administration experienced a significant security breach by inadvertently including a journalist in a Signal chat that was discussing the confidential U.S. military plans for Yemen. The group involved high-profile officials such as Vice President J.D. Vance and Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. The breach has raised concerns over operational security and the administration's reliability with intelligence. Fox News reports that guidance from the Biden administration encouraged the use of Signal for secure communications among highly targeted government officials, describing it as a best practice. The 2024 Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, guidance recommended adopting free messaging applications like Signal that guarantee end-to-end encryption for secure communications. The Department of Defense has issued guidance on the use of mobile applications like Signal. This memorandum from October of 2023 advises that the unmanaged messaging apps, including Signal, are not authorized to access, transmit, or process non-public DoD information due to operational security risks and the potential for unauthorized disclosures. Let's take a moment to highlight some positive and uplifting stories making headlines. In Detroit, a community initiative has transformed vacant lots into thriving urban gardens, providing fresh produce to local neighborhoods and fostering a sense of community. Residents have come together to cultivate these spaces, promoting healthy eating and environmental stewardship. Students from schools in the United States and Japan are participating in a virtual exchange program, allowing them to share cultural experiences and build international friendships. This initiative aims to promote global understanding and collaboration among young people. And that concludes today's episode of It Is Good News. Thanks for joining us as we navigate the news from multiple perspectives. Remember, staying informed means considering all sides of the conversation. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.